Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to revise chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, Numbers Beyond 999. Are you all ready, children? Shall we start the session? Yes. First one, exercise number 1.1. Complete the following. This you're going to complete it. Shall we? So first sum is 2380, 2381, 2382. Now tell me, children, what number will come after 2382? Yes, 2383. So next you're going to add 1 to the number 2382. You're going to add 1 to the number 2382. That means next is 2383. These are all consecutive numbers. I think you all know this, right? So next is 2383. 2383. Next, what number will come? 2384. 2385. That means you're going to add 1 to the number 2384. The answer is 2385. Then add 1 more to the number 2385. 2386. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. 9234. 9235. 9236. Now tell me, children, what number will come after 9236? Yes, 9237. Next, 9238. You're going to add 1 to this number. So the answer will be 9238. 9239. Then at last 9240. Clear, children? So you all know how to write the consecutive numbers, right, children? Now let's move on to the next one. Observe the pictorial blocks. Just see these blocks and write the number they represent. And what number they represent, that we are going to write it in the blank. Shall we write this now? Yes. So now count how many thousands. See, this one block represents 1000, right? So now count how many thousands blocks are there. Shall we count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many thousands we have? 6000. Write it here because I don't have place. I'm writing it here. How many? And this one block represents hundreds, right? How many hundreds blocks are there? Just count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many hundreds are there? 700. So write 7 in the hundreds place. You're going to write 7 in the hundreds place. Shall we count the tens now? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. 6 in the tens place. Shall we count the ones now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many we have? 7. So the answer is 6, 7, 6, 7. You're going to write it in the blank now. So how many blocks, thousands blocks are there? We have 6000 block, 700 block, and how many tens we have? 6 tens and 7 ones. So the answer is 6767. I think you all know to see the block and write the number, right, children? Yes, you're going to count the blocks and you're going to write it in the exact places, whether it is 100, tens or thousands. You're going to write in the exact places. Now draw beads. You're going to draw beads for this number. Draw beads to represent the following numbers on the abacus. We are going to draw beads on the abacus. Shall we draw beads on the abacus? First sum is 2, 7, 3, 1. For this, we are going to draw beads for on the abacus. 2, 7, 3, 1. Shall we? Now, just see we have 1 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place, isn't it children? So now what we have to do? Shall we, this represents ones, tens, T represents tens, H hundreds, TH is thousands. Shall we draw beads now? Now what number is there in the ones place? 1. So draw one bead in the, draw only one bead in the ones place. So I have drawn one bead in the ones place. Now move on to the tens place. What number we have in the tens place? 3. So draw 3 beads on the tens place. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads in the tens place. Now move on to the hundreds place. What number we have? In the hundreds place, 7. So you're going to draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So draw 7 beads in the hundreds place. Then move on to the thousands place now. What number you have? 2 in the thousands place. So you're going to draw 2 beads. 1, 2. So you're going to draw 2 beads on the thousands place. So the number 2731, how to represent on the abacus? First I have drawn 1 bead in the ones place, 3 beads in the tens place and 7 in the hundreds place and 2 in the thousands place. Now let's move on to the next sum. 5608. See this number. Now we have 8 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Shall we draw the beads now? Yes. So what number we have in the ones place? 8. So draw 8 beads in the ones place. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to draw 8 beads on the ones place. Now move on to the tens place. What number we have in the tens place? 0 in the tens place. So no need to draw any beads on the, so don't draw any beads. Then move on to the hundreds place. What number we have? 6. So we have to draw 6 beads on the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you all drawn 6 beads, children? Now move on to the thousands place. What number we have? 5. So draw 5 beads on the thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you all know how to draw beads on the abacus, right? How to represent the number on the abacus, right? So for the given number, you're going to draw beads on the exact places. So 5608, I have drawn 8 beads on the ones place and there is no bead on the tens place and 6 beads in the hundreds place and 5 beads in the thousands place. Now write the numbers represented by the abacus. Now you're going to see the abacus and you're going to write the number. Shall we count the beads on the abacus? How will you write the number? We are going to count the beads on the abacus. Now this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, right children? Now how many beads we have in the ones place? Just count the beads. 1 beads, right? Now count how many beads are there in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads on the tens place. Then move on to the hundreds place. How many beads are there? Count and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads on the hundreds place. Now count on the thousands place. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 beads on the thousands place. Now tell me, what is the number formed? What is the number represented by the abacus? 3, 4, 5, 1. 3000. While writing the number, we have to start from the thousands place. So the number is 3451. Clear, children? You're going to, while writing the number, you have to start from the thousands place. We have 3 in the thousands place, so write 3. 4 in the hundreds place, 3, 4. 5 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. So 3, 4, 5, 1. Now shall we move on to the next sum? Now tell me what number, as we don't have any beads in this ones place. So 0, right? We don't have any number. Now move on to the tens place. Now tell me how many beads are there in the tens place. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads on the tens place. Move on to the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beats on the hundreds place. Then move on to the thousands place. How many beats we have? 1, 2. Shall we write the number? Yes. While writing the number, you have to write from the leftmost part. That means the thousands place. So 2, 6, 3, 0. Check whether the answer is correct. Yes, 2, 6, 3, 0. So you all know how to write the number represented by the abacus, right children? Now let's move on to the next one. Write the number names. I think you all know to write the number names, right children? Number name. Number has been given. You're going to write the number name for the following numbers. 7, 0, 1, 8. Number is 7, 0, 1, 8. 8 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place. Now shall we write the number name? 7, it is in which place? Thousand. So write 7,000. 7,000. S-E-V-E-N. 7,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 7,000. 0 in the hundreds place. So leave it. 1, 8. 18. Write 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Seventh number name is 7,018. What is the number name for 7018? 7,018. Let's move on to the next sum. 99209. 920. We are going to write the number name for this. Shall we? 9, it is in which place? Thousands place, right? So write 9,000. N-I-N-E 9,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 9,000. How many hundreds we have? 900s, right? 900. N-I-N-E 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 900. 20 is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. So number name for 9920 is 9,920. I think you all know to write the number name, right children? Now exercise number 1.2. Fill in the boxes. You're going to fill in this boxes. How many tens, how many hundreds, how many ones, like this you're going to fill in the boxes. Shall we fill this? Yes. Now what is the first number? 6095. Now tell me children, how many ones are there? So here we have 5 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place and 6 in the thousands place. Now shall we write? How many thousands are there? Yes, 6,000. So write 6 inside the box. You're going to write 6 inside the box. So how many thousands we have? 6,000. How many hundreds? 0. So write 0 hundreds. And how many tens? Yes, 9 tens. Very good. 9 tens. How many ones? See, 5 ones. So 6, 0. So 6,000. How many thousands? 6,000. 0 hundred. 9 tens and 5 ones. Let's move on to the next sum. 3623. 3623. In this, now tell me children, it is 3 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place and 3 in the thousands place, right? Now what number we'll write in the thousands place? How many thousands we have? 3,000. So write 3 inside the box. 3,000. And how many hundreds? 600. Very good. So write 600. Write 6 inside the box. 600. Very good. How many tens? See, we have 2 tens. So write 2 here. 2 tens. And how many ones? 3 ones. So write 3 inside the box. So 3,000, 600, 2 tens and 3 ones. Now write the number name. Write the number name. I think you all know to write the number name. Then write the number. This number also we are going to write. Now how many thousands we have? 6,000, right? 6,000. And how many hundreds we have? 800. Read the first 6 TH. TH means 1000, right children? 6,000. 8H, 800. 0 tens. So there is no in tens place. We have 0 tens and 2 ones. How many ones? 2 ones. So the number formed is 6802. Just read the question carefully and write the number. 6,000. So 6 in the thousands place. 800. So 8 in the hundreds place. And 0 tens. So 0 in the tens place. And 2 ones. 2 in the ones place. Now what is the number name for this? So write 6,000. 6 in the thousands place. We all know. Just see this. 6,000. 6,000. THOUSAND. 6,000. How many hundred? 800. So write 800. 2. TWO2. Number name is 6,802. Move on to the next one. 8TH. So 8,000. How many thousand? 8,000. Write the number name. 8,000. 6H. 600. So write 600. 8,000. 600. 5 tens. That means 50. 5 into 10. 50. Right? FIFTY. 50. 9 ones. So 9. NINE. Number name is 8,659. What is the number name? 8,659. Shall we write the number now? 8TH. That means 8,000. So 8 in the thousands place. 600. Right? So 6 in the hundreds place. And 5 tens. So 5 in the tens place. And 9 ones. So 9 in the ones place. So the number is 8659. Number name is 8,659. Now write in the expanded form. I think you all know what is expanded form of a number, right children? What do you mean by expanded form? It is the sum of the place value of the numbers. You all know what is the place value of, right? In which place it is, whether it is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place or thousands place. Now we'll see the first example. 1827. 7 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place and 1 in the thousands place. We have to start from the left hand side. That means the thousands place. Shall we write? 1 it is in which place? Thousands place. So 1 into 1,000. 1,000. So write 1,000 plus. Don't forget to put the plus symbol because it is the sum of the place value of the digits, right? So 1,000. 1 it is in thousands place. So write 1 into 1,000. 1,000 plus 8. It is in which place? Hundreds place. So 8 into 100. 800. So write 800 inside the box. Plus, don't forget to put the plus symbol, plus 2. It is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10, 20 plus 7 in the ones place. So 7. So the expanded form is 1,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 7. I'll repeat it one more time. It is the sum of the place value of the digits, right? So 1 it is in thousands place. So 1 into 1,000, 1,000 plus 8 it is in hundreds place. So 8 into 100, 800. Then plus 2 it is in tens place. 2 into 20, 2 into 10, 20 plus 7 ones. 7 into 1, 7. Next sum. 5899. 9 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place. Shall we write the expanded form of this number? Yes, 5 it is in which place? Thousands place. So 5 into 1,000, 5,000. So write 5,000 inside the box plus 5,000 plus 8. It is in which place? It is in hundreds place. So 8 into 100, 800. 8 into 100, 800 plus 9. It is in tens place. 9 into 10, 90. plus 9. It is in ones place. 9 into 1, 9. So the expanded form of the number is 5899 is 5000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 9. So now we'll see write in the short form. I think you all know what do you mean by short form, right? We are going to write only the face value of the digits. So we are going to write only the face value of the numbers. Shall we write? First one is 5000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. 5000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. What is the face value of 5000? Face value is the value of the digit itself, right? So 5. Face value is value of the digit itself. So the digit is 5. And 700, what is the face value? 7. And for 80, the face value is 8. And for 6, the face value is 6. So the short form is 5786. 5786. Second one, 8000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 1. 8000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 1. Shall we write the face value? What is the face value of 8000? 8. Face value of 400 is 4. We are going to write only the face value. And for 60, 6. And for 1. So the number is, short form is 8461. Short form is 8461. Put the correct sign. Put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. We are exercise number 1.3. Put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. I think you all know to compare the numbers, right children? Yes, you know how to compare two numbers, right? So first sum is 237 1201. We are going to compare 237 and 1201. Now tell me, how will you compare two numbers? You have to compare from the leftmost part. Now in this we have 3 digits. In this we have 3 digits. If the number of, see the number of digits. Here we have 3 digits and here we have 4 digits. Now tell me which is smaller number. Yes, 3 is smaller, right? So first is 237 and 1201. Which is smaller? The number of digits is less, then lesser the number, right? So 237 is less than 1201. 237 is less than, how will you compare two numbers? First see the number of digits, and if the number of digits are equal, then what we have to do? We have to compare from the left hand side, that means thousands place or hundreds place. Now, so 237 is less than 1201. Second one, 5421, 5412. Now, how will you compare these two numbers? In this, we have 4 digits. In this also 4 digits, right? So, now, we'll compare from the leftmost part, thousands place. In both the numbers, we have 5 in the thousands place. Now, what will you do? Now, start to compare the hundreds place now. So, in this number, first number, we have 4 in the hundreds place. Second number also, we have 4 in the hundreds place. So, what to do? Now start to compare the tens place now. In this we have 2 in the tens place. In the second number we have 1 in the tens place. Now tell me which is greater. 2 is greater, right? 2 is greater. So 5421 is greater than 5412. 5421 is greater than 5412. Next is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now compare between these two. In this, all the digits are same. In both the numbers, all the digits are same. Here also 1 2 1 2. Here also 1 2 1 2. If all the digits are same in both the numbers, then what symbol we have to put in between? Equal to sign. So put equal to sign in between. So first is 237 is less than 1201. 5421 is greater than 5412. 1212 is equal to 1212. Arrange in ascending order. I think you all know what is ascending order, right children? Arranging the numbers from smaller to the bigger, right? So now just see the first number. See all the four numbers. From this we are going to compare which is smaller. 1892, 1982, 1289, 1189. Now we are going to compare between these two numbers. Now tell me which number is smaller. Arranging in ascending order means smaller to bigger, right? So now tell me out of these four numbers which is smaller. Yes, see the thousands place, all the numbers we have 1. So see the hundreds place. In the last number we have 1, that is smaller. So 1189 is smaller. So write 1189, 1189. Next 1289. Then 1892. Last 1982. What do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. So in this 1189 is smaller, then 1289, then 1892, last 1982. Shall we move on the next sum? 6341, 6143, 6431, 6314. Now tell me children, which is the smallest number out of these four? So first see the thousands place. So all the numbers we have 6. Now compare the hundreds place now. Which is smaller? So 6143 it is smaller. 6143. Then 6143 is the smallest number. So I just cross it out. Write the number down. Then out of these 3 now compare which is smaller. So 6314. So 6314. Then 6341. 6341. Then 6431. So first is 6143 is the smallest number. Then 6314. 6341. 6431. Arrange in descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. First you have to arrange the numbers which is big, then like this you are going to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. Shall we arrange? First sum 8291, 8192, 8091, 8129. We are going to arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Now tell me children, out of these four number 8291, 8192, 8091 and 8129, which is the biggest number out of these four? See, first compare the thousands place. In all the number we have 8. So compare the hundreds place now. So just see which is bigger. 8291. Yes, 8291 is the biggest number. So write it down. Then 8192. Yes, 8192. 8192. Then 8129. 8129. 8129 and at last 8091. I'll repeat it. Which is the biggest number? 8200. 200 is bigger, right? 291. Then 8192. 8129 and at last 8091. And second sum, just see the four numbers. 4523, 5619, 4807, 5032. Now tell me children, which is the biggest number? See, we have 2 5s in the thousands place. Now compare between these two. Now compare the hundreds place between these two numbers. So 6 in the tens, in the hundreds place we have 6 in the second number. In last we have 0. So 6 is bigger. So 5619 is the biggest number. So write it down. 5619. Then 5032. 5032. Then out of these two, which is bigger? See the hundreds place. We have 8 in the hundreds place, 5. So 8 is bigger. So 4807. Then 4523. Last is 4523. I'll repeat it. 5619. Then 5032. 4807 and 4523. So practice well all the sums, revise well children. So practice well, put the sums in your notebook, revise well. See you in the next class. Thank you children.